Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 6 minus 64 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first x power 6 we can write it as x cube whole square minus 64 is the square of 8 is equals to 0. So here we can use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So we can write this as x cube plus 8 or x cube minus 8 is equals to 0. As we know that 8 is the 2 cube, we can write it as, and similarly here 2 cube. Now we can use the very famous identity of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab, or a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So if we put the values, so in a cube plus b cube, so a plus b is x plus 2. Here x square plus 2 square is 4 minus 2x. And a minus b is x minus 2 or x square plus 2 square is 4 plus 2x. So we have these 4 roots. That is equals to 0. So we have 4 cases. So case 1, when x plus 2 is equals to 0, so x is equals to minus 2. Case 2, x square plus 4, or we can write it as x square minus 2x plus 4. We can use the quadratic formula here. That is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here a is coefficient of x square 1, b is coefficient of x, that is minus 2, and c is the constant, that is 4. So minus b is minus 2 plus minus under root minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 4 by 2 times 1. So 2 plus minus square root 4 minus 16 by 2. So 2 plus minus square root of 12 by 2. So 2 plus minus 2 root 3 by 2, if I'll take 2 as common. So 1 plus minus root 3 by 2. So we can cancel out. So other root of x is 1 plus minus square root of 3. Now case 3. When x minus 2 is equals to 0, the value of x is 2. Case 4. X square plus 2x plus 4 is equals to 0. Again, we are going to use the quadratic formula. So minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b is minus 2 plus minus under root 2 square is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 4 by 2 times 1. So minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 16 by 2. So minus 2 plus minus 12 by 2 minus 2 plus minus 2 root 3 by 2. If I take 2 as common, so minus 1 plus minus root 3 by 2. Cancel out. The root is minus 1 plus minus root 3. So the values of x are minus 2, 1 plus root 3, 1 minus root 3, 2, 1 minus plus root 3, or 1 minus minus root 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.